Freezer temping at 40 degrees plus. Let's get into it. Fans aren't spinning. Let's check the thermostat. Temp is set to -2 on this controller. The green light indicates it is calling. Power across all 3 legs. Both sides of disconnect. Remove doghouse. Time clock isn't lighting up. The unit is stuck in defrost. Clean up the wire's ends. Set defrost clock and length of defrost. Turn power back on. Verify temp drop. We out, son. Follow for more.